In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Vantage to Tradingview. By the end, you'll be trading directly from your charts inside Tradingview with your Vantage account quickly and confidently. First, make sure you have both accounts ready to go. You'll need a Vantage trading account that's supported for Tradingview connection, typically an MT5 account type enabled for Tradingview, and you'll also need a Tradingview account. The specific account type matters because only Tradingview supported Vantage accounts will show up when you connect. If you're unsure, check your Vantage account details and confirm that your account is eligible. Next, open Tradingview on the web or in the app and pull up any chart. A common example is EUR/USD, but any symbol will work. Being on a chart view is important because the connection tools live inside the charting workspace. Now look to the bottom of your screen and open the trading panel. This is the area where Tradingview lists supported brokers and where you'll control your live trading connection. If you don't see it right away, make sure your chart is maximized and you're logged into Tradingview. In the broker list, find Vantage. If you have a long list, use the search bar to locate it quickly. If Vantage doesn't appear, double-check that your Tradingview app is updated and that your account type with Vantage is compatible. Click Vantage, then choose Connect. You'll be prompted to enter your Vantage login details, which usually means your trading account number as the username, your password, and, if requested, the correct server. Select the exact server that matches your Vantage account so Tradingview can route your connection properly. When everything looks right, click Sign In. Once you're connected, you'll see your account details appear inside Tradingview, including your balance and connection status. From here, you can place trades directly on the chart, manage open positions, and modify or close orders without leaving Tradingview. Order tickets will use your Vantage account, and your positions will sync with your Vantage backend while you control them from the Tradingview interface. A few important reminders before you start placing trades. Make sure you're using a Tradingview supported account type with Vantage, because not every account will appear in the broker list. Also, deposits and withdrawals are handled inside your Vantage client portal, not in Tradingview. Tradingview is your execution and charting interface, while Vantage remains your broker of record. That's it. You're connected, you're in control, and you can now trade directly from your charts with Vantage inside Tradingview.